Hello my study bees, welcome to a new video, and this one is gonna be a combination video of 2 days, 13th and 14th of March. So yeah, on 13th of March means day 1, I woke up and did my normal skincare, had a warm cup of tea and sat with my to-do list making. Now this vlog is also about how I managed my studies as well as enjoyed my Holi this year as a 10th grader, as we have got promoted to class 10th and we are a 10th grader now. We cannot waste our whole day only playing Holi and enjoying. We should focus and give some time to studies as well. So according to the to-do list, after I had my breakfast, I sit to study. So my first work was to do the economics chapter 1. So did I watched a lecture of the GRADER, then read the whole NCERT, and I began with the notes taking. Now I took a very little portion of the notes. Now for me, notes making isn't a quick process. I need some time, a calm mind, and then I can only make notes. So it takes time for me. So on 13th of March, we had the Holika Dahan program on our society. So I didn't have any such plans in the morning. In the evening, I was having some plans to go out and celebrate this Holika Dahan with my friends. So yeah, then I completed, then took a warm shower, did my skincare. Then after having my lunch, I started with the next thing, which is physics. And then I ticked what I have completed in my to-do list planner. Then again I revised more physics portion. You know what, physics is something which just confuses me a lot. So I prefer doing the physics in the afternoon time majorly, because if I do physics in the early morning, then it would just make me more confused. So I had something from Blinkit, I ordered from Big Basket, you can say, and then I enjoyed my chips and chocolate, and then I made yummy Maggie in the evening time for me after I took a nap of 1 hour, enjoyed this chocolate. Then I went down, enjoyed the Holika Dahan program with my friends. And then it was a time for me to sit with my maths practice after having my dinner. Now, recently I have started the program that I will practice 1 hour maths every day. And today I had to complete this exercise of polynomial. So it's the chapter 2 of our NCERT book. So I did a bit of it, like 1 hour almost. And maths practice without song is incomplete. It's really incomplete for me. So Spotify has to be there for me. So after the practice of maths, I checked my to-do list and I couldn't complete all the works because I had to enjoy the Holika Dahan and enjoy with my family. So yeah, somehow I couldn't do the whole. Then on the day 14th of March, I woke up and then I saw my whole table was messed up. So I cleaned the whole table first of all, and then I just prepared what to do and all. Then I had my breakfast first of all. After breakfast I had my tea, then chips, and it's me. And then it was the time to study, because in this day we were having the program to play Holi. So I made my to-do list, made my notes on the first work, which I had to prepare the English notes using the Cornell Method. Now you guys know my Cornell Method, who have subscribed this channel, they might know it because the video is already uploaded in my channel. If you are new to this video or this channel, just go and check this video out and don't forget to subscribe, okay? So yeah, this time I was making the notes for the Dust of Snow chapter. So this technique is really very much beneficial and helpful. So definitely include it in your notes making technique. And after this, I had to do my second work of the day, and then I would go to play Holi. And I was really very much excited to do so. And after that, I ticked my to-do list plan, then did the French Revolution part of History chapter 1, the first part only from the animated video, and NCERT as well. Then I did my skincare, got myself prepped. Sunscreen is must, your normal cream or you call it your moisturizer, then lip balm, lipstick, and it's me ready to play Holi. And I went down, and this was the condition. Literally we enjoyed a lot. literally a lot. We enjoyed some yummy snacks over there as well. We danced a lot, and with friends, this Holi is one of the best Holi I have played ever till date. Then I came back home, had my very very yummy and special lunch. Then I slept like for a 1 hour nap. Then I woke up, had my tea. Then I made this tikki. These are proper and pure veg. This was our Holi special snacks. So I made this, and this turned out to be really yummy. Then we all enjoyed it. Then it was the time to get back to study again. So continuing with the history work I left. So I made some notes as well after watching the lecture, or call it the animated video. So these were all the notes which I have made. So currently I have been using the mind mapping technique for history, because history chapter is very much lengthy, so it's easy to remember once I use this technique. Then I did my to-do list checkup again, and then comes the most interesting part of my day, which is the maths practice session, 1 hour. So I started with it, and I just set the 1 hour timer as time again. So yeah, I was doing it, but the day turned out to be really good. I could manage my studies as well as I enjoyed Holi a lot. So I was doing this time the chapter number 1, real numbers, from the R.S. Agarwal book, which is my reference book for class 10th. So with the ending of my 1 hour maths practice session, this much what I did maths practicing. And here this video comes to an end. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Bye.